What's good, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, what's up, love? I'm Kay, and if you've been here before, thank you so much for stopping back by. All right, so today I'm going to be bringing you guys my shoe collection video, and it's something that I asked you guys if you wanted to see in my room transformation video, because I am thinking about getting a haul of new shoes. I did just want to catch everybody up on the shoes that I have right now, because I have got a lot of staple pieces in my shoe collection, and it has worked for me for the past 2 years. I have not needed to buy new shoes until recently, and even the ones that I bought recently weren't a need. They were just to add to my collection, but everything else has been a staple. I don't need to get a lot of shoes. Everything that's there is necessary. Everything that's there with any outfit, I can throw it on and it works. And that's why I wanted to show you guys this video. I did a video about the shoes that every girl needs, but this one's a little different because I'm actually showing you guys the shoes I have. And yeah, in my opinion, I just think that these are the shoes that you really need in your collection, and it can really last you a long time. I also just don't need to go and buy shoes. I'm just gonna get shoes because I want to expand and I want more color, but other than that, I really don't need shoes. I can always finesse with the ones that I've got. So yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing that video, then do keep on watching. But if you do like my content, please do consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video if you enjoy it. It really helps me out. So yeah, if you guys could do that for me, I would be very, very grateful. But without any further ado, let's hop straight into the video. Okay, so we're going to try and ignore the fact that kids have come out to play right now. It is in the afternoon, so yeah. But other than that, let's get into my black shoes. So the first pair of shoes that I really recommend that you guys get in a black are single strap heels. So single strap heels basically always look like this. Literally, they only have one strap. Like, they've got a strap down here and they've got a strap down here. And yeah, I really recommend this shoe because it goes with everything. And I also recommend it in a patent leather. Patent, how do you guys say that word? But yes, I recommend it in this leather because this goes with far more than a fabric. I feel like a fabric single strap heel goes with less. I don't know why, but I genuinely just think it's less. I think it's more casual, and a patent leather is more formal, but it goes with more outfits. So this is my single strap heel. I got this one from AliExpress, and it has got a normal curved toe, and this is just a very basic shoe. And yeah, I know that Aldo's really good at single strap heels as well. They also do like a normal leather. I think a normal leather and like a shiny type of leather are the ones to go for, but the ones that are like a suede or anything like that, I think those are less formal than these ones. And this one also has a very relaxed arch, if you can look at that. So the heel isn't extremely high. It is high, like it makes like a statement, like okay, it's a heel, but it's not a crazy arch. There are shoes that I've got that have a crazier arch than this, but I really think that just one that has a relaxed arch and has like a normal heel height is necessary. And I also just have these to grip my feet. These I got on Amazon, and yeah, these are really helpful. But yeah, I do recommend just a normal single strap heel. I know that a lot of fast fashion companies in South Africa normally do like a block heel. I don't own any block heels. I'm not a fan anymore. I don't think that they're a necessity. I do think that if you just want a comfortable heel, you can get yourself a block heel, but I think that a stiletto is a must. Like, you actually have to, and I do believe that every girl needs to learn how to walk in heels. So yeah, it's actually a life skill. It's actually a life skill. And then a shoe that I got from TheFix as well. It's kind of a variation of the single strap heel. It is got a single strap right over here at the top, and then it's got one over here, but it's more trendy because it's got an extra little loop for your toe, and it's got a sharp point right here. And it's also more comfortable because it's not a block heel, but it's like a half block type of situation. TheFix did and is doing quite a few of these type of half blocks, which are more comfortable than your stiletto, but they still are a heel. But this one's a little more trendy. This is more of, I want to make more of a statement. It's just a variation of that single strap, honestly. And yeah, this is also nice in a patent leather, and I got this from TheFix. So this is also something that you can consider. So yeah, I really like this shoe. I don't reach for it as much because it's just not as simple, but yeah, I do think that this is also just nice to play up a simple dress. This would be nice. If the single strap would be too boring, then you'd go for something, you know, just a little different. Single strap, it's got the fundamentals of a basic shoe, but it's just got a little bit more of a pizzazz kind of situation. So yeah. And then something that's kind of trendier, but this is, in my opinion, a must-have. You guys have seen this shoe 1,050,000 times, okay? So this is my strappy black heel, and this one is just about trends, quite honestly. This one, I won't lie, it goes with a lot of outfits. It is the type of shoe that would dress up an outfit. So I reach for this normally when I'm just wearing jeans and a t-shirt and I kind of want to do something different, or if my dress is just too boring, I will reach for something like this. It's strappy, so you have to be careful what you wear it with, but I do find that it goes with quite a lot. I got this one from AliExpress. It is more of an arch. The arch is a bit higher than, like, you know, something as relaxed as this, but this one is a statement heel. If you don't really know how to walk in heels, this can be a restaurant shoe, but if you're comfortable, then you can walk around a bit with this. And yeah, this is just a statement. It's got the pointy, it's got the straps, and I think something that's really trendy for summer right now are the straps. Like, a lot of shoes have like straps, like ties and like stuff like that, so that's really trendy right now. And I think that this is just such a cool shoe. Like, it's just a, oh, you've got a nice collection type of shoe. So yeah, I got this from AliExpress, but I will give you guys links to Wholesale 7 because they've got them as well, because I know nobody's trying to shop on AliExpress right now. And then a shoe that I found myself reaching for, especially after lockdown, because obviously right after lockdown we were kind of uncomfortable with our heels, and I was just like, I want to wear a heel, but I don't want anything that's gonna kill me. So I picked this up from Mr. Price. I showed this in my last Style With Me. This is the type of mule that I would wear, the type of kitten heel that I would wear. To me, this is a kitten heel. I know that the trendy ones are like right here or whatever, but this one I feel like is a nice in-between. It's a comfortable heel, but it looks a bit taller than all the other ones. Like, it's not obviously like between this and this you can tell like, okay, she's wearing a heel, but at least with this I just feel like you've got the elevation, you've got the simplicity. I like this heel. I'm not reaching for it as much because I've kind of gotten back on my groove, like I'm wearing my heels again, but I really like this just for the summertime. It's something you slip on and you walk out. You don't have to think too much about this. You can wear it with some jeans. It's very simple, and I just think a slip-on shoe is very essential. I do have higher slip-ons than this, and I do think I want a slip-on black shoe that's much higher. The trendy ones are the ones with the little cushions right now, but I think just a sleek one will last you even past the trend. I think this is a shoe that I'll be able to wear in 2-3 years and it'll be fine. So yeah, that's kind of a common theme with my shoes. I kind of don't want to do something or buy something that is gonna die down. So yeah, those are my black heels. All right, so next up are my nude heels, and one thing about me, I will wear a nude heel, okay? I'm not about to play around with a nude heel. These are my favorite heels in my collection, and I genuinely feel like nude heels are the Air Force Ones of heels, because you can really do whatever you want with nude heels. And that's why I've got so many tones, I've got so many undertones, I've got so many variations of these, because I genuinely feel like with a nude heel you cannot go wrong. And that's why they are the dirtiest in my collection. So if you guys know of, you know, Sneaker Shack, they clean sneakers professionally. If you guys know of anything like that but for high heels, where they actually do it properly and they care for the leather, then please let me know, because I need a deep clean on at least 3 of these. Because one thing about me, like I said, is I will wear my nude heels. So I'm going to start with the single strap. I have a single strap heel that is nude. I bought it go AliExpress just like the other one, the black one. I don't know if it's gonna pick up properly on camera, but this is a very pinky nude. It's not the nude that it's showing up on camera. This is very pink, right? I would have died to have that color that you guys are seeing on screen, but it's a very salmony pink. It's kind of like that, right? It's not a pink, but it is a pinky nude, right? So yeah, I do like this shoe. It's not like I don't wear it or whatever, but yes, I do think if it was more neutral, I'd wear it way more than I do. This is a single strap heel from AliExpress, and it's basically the same thing as that black one. And I also think that this is such an essential because it's a classic shape. Got the round toe, single strap, and a relaxed arch. Nothing crazy. You can wear it all day, and I just think it's a very you must have this shoe, you know? So yeah, it's comfortable, nothing is wrong with it, and I do think that this can go with so many things. And yeah, love these. And then, like I did before, this is a common theme. Like, I've got the same shoe in like a lot of colors because I'm just that type of person, and I'll have it in all the basic colors. So I've got this shoe again from TheFix, and I just have it in a nude. Now the nude on this shoe and the nude on this shoe, yes, now you can see that there's a difference. The nude on this shoe is a more neutral base type of nude. Like, this is nude, you know? Doesn't have any sort of undertone. It's just a proper nude, and I reached for this quite a bit. So with this one, it's also just got the trendiness, it's got the pizzazz, and I like to wear this with more muted, more relaxed type of outfits and dresses especially. And I really love this shoe. What I did forget to say is these aren't extremely comfortable. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is about the shoe, but it does kind of slip kind of thing. So that's why I've got those little protectors or whatever that I have on my shoe. Those are a great investment. I will also link those below. I'll try to find them on Takealot, but I got mine from Amazon, and I love this trendy style on a nude shoe. I just think it's so cool. So yeah, there's those. And then I've got a Perspex Heel, right? So there are so many Perspex heels that I feel like are out there. Remember how we had those block heels that were Perspex, and it's like Perspex heels are great. I don't even know if I'm saying that word properly, honestly, but Perspex heels are an essential in my opinion. It just depends what type of girl you are. I'm not the type of girl that would want a Perspex heel in a single strap, so I don't think I'd want this part of my shoe to be Perspex because I can see it. Like, it's not like Perspex is invisible. Yes, it's supposed to give the illusion that your shoe is like invisible or whatever, but I feel like to do it properly, it would have to be a slip-on in my opinion. I think it's like more minimal, there's less Perspex. Here on the strap you kind of see it. Like, I think the only Perspex heel I would actually get is a slip-on. Now this is my dirtiest, oh shit, it's not. There's a dirty shoe right there. But this is one of my dirtiest shoes because of the fabric. I don't know if you can see, but this one actually has suede on it. And it's also on the toe box. I hate when shoes get that black toe mark. Especially because this is a open toe shoe, so it's kind of inevitable. I can't do anything about it. But yeah, I love this strap. It's not thick at all, and that's what I was looking for, because a lot of the time when I'm looking for a slip-on heel, the front, yes, for more support it is wider, but for a Perspex heel I wanted it smaller. I wanted the shoe to disappear kind of thing. And yeah, I think the only other shoe that's Perspex that I would get actually is where this nude part is black, and then just add that to my black collection and I'm done. But yeah, I really like this one. It's minimal, and I think this does what Perspex is supposed to do, like the whole disappearing thing. This actually does it because there isn't a lot of this Perspex. I don't know if I'm making sense, but that was my logic when I got this shoe. But this is one of those arches. It's kind of got a crazy arch on it. I love this shoe, but it can get so uncomfortable. And then my last nude shoe is so ratatata. So ratatata. But it is this slip-on heel from Mr. Price, and I wore the fuck out of this after lockdown. Like I said, I wasn't used to heels and I was just like, this is a nude shoe. It goes with everything. I love this shoe so much. I even have to go get it fixed because something happened to my heel, because I wore the fuck out of this shoe after lockdown. I probably will wear it again crazy in December, because there's a point like after the 25th where you're tired now. You're tired. You've been wearing heels to brunch. You're tired. So I definitely will reach for this again. But you know, now I'm back on my shit. I'm wearing my high heels again. So yeah. And then the last shoe that I've got is the prettiest shoe that I own. I can't wait until I've got other very pretty shoes, but this is another very pretty shoe that I've got, and it's basically the beige or nude version of the black Strappy Heel. Such a pretty heel, guys. Like I think this is the most feminine shoe that I've got, just because it's just so, it's cute, man. I love the color. It is showing up more neutral on camera than it actually is, but it is a beautiful nude, something that could complement so many skin tones, and I just think it is stunning. Such a pretty shoe, guys. So I've got this just as a different color to the black one, but also this goes so well with just a pair of jeans and a t-shirt, a pair of jeans and a shirt, you know, chill things, but it's a beautiful statement shoe. How pretty. So yeah, that is my collection of nude heels. So probably one of my most worn shoes in my collection. I don't know what it was about the shoe that made it so, okay, obviously because it's white, but it was just also just extremely comfortable, and it was just my go-to shoe for like the club and like places like that. So it is beat up from the feet up, okay? Also it is white, so it's obviously going to stain easier. I do think I have to replace her, because yo guys, yo she has gone through it. But I basically only have one pair of white heels, and it is a single strap white shoe. I adore this shoe. It is so cute. I don't think a lot of people actually have white shoes in their collection, and what I've discovered is that this is the prettiest shoe to have. A white heel is just stunning. Something about it is just so, not different, but I think because a lot of people don't wear white heels, it's like, oh, that's cute, you know, type of thing. So if you could get your hands on like a white shoe, a white heel, I really want like the strappy white heels, the really trendy like curved white heels. I really want to get a lot of white heels over the summer. But yes, this is my only pair of white heels, and it has held me down. It has held me down. This is honestly, if I genuinely didn't have to buy shoes, I wouldn't have to, like, because I've got everything that I need. It's just Jay wanting to get me shoes, but I genuinely could rock with this forever and ever, because it's just such a, you don't realize how much a single strap white heel can help you until you get one. So I'll also link that one down below, but I got mine from AliExpress. So there you have it, you guys. That is my heel collection. That is currently what I have in rotation in my collection. And yeah, as you saw, super basic. I genuinely love my collection. I think I did really well at getting all my basics, and yeah, it's only up from here. It's only fun from here, basically. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, then do let me know in the comment section down below, and also let me know that you liked this video by liking it. Give it a thumbs up, and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really enjoyed doing this video for you guys, and if you have any suggestions on other content that you'd like to see on my YouTube channel, then recommend everything down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.